Welcome back to the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show. And today's show is called Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Gratitude Practice Transforms Your Heart. And trust me, it's juicier than your cousin's peach cobbler. What if I told you there's a simple practice that can literally change your heart rhythm and reduce your risk of heart disease in just 60 seconds a day? You'd probably think I've been hitting the eggnog a little too hard, right? Well, buckle up because we're diving into something that'll blow your mind faster than a cardiac catheter through a blocked artery. Your heart isn't just sitting in there beating like a metronome at a piano recital. Oh no, it's way smarter than that. Your heart is constantly varying its rhythm, speeding up, slowing down, dancing to the tune of your emotions and stress levels. It's like having a DJ in your chest, but sometimes that DJ is having a really bad day. When you're stressed, anxious, or angrier than a surgeon whose Wi-Fi went down during a procedure, this heart rate variability becomes more chaotic than an emergency room on New Year's Eve. And here's the kicker: when your heart rhythm gets all wonky, it sends a signal to your brain saying, "Hey buddy, we're in trouble up in here." Your brain believes it, dumps stress hormones into your system, and creates this vicious cycle that's harder to break than a bad hospital coffee habit. This chaos leads to inflammation, high blood pressure, and increases your heart disease risk faster than you can say code blue. Yep, entirely true. I can't make this stuff up. But here's what's fascinating, and why I love being a cardiologist more than a kid loves ice cream for breakfast. There's this thing called gratitude practice, and I've been studying its physiological benefits on heart rate variability for years now. When you practice gratitude, and I mean really focus on being grateful, it activates your parasympathetic nervous system. That's your body's rest and digest mode, the opposite of that fight or flight craziness. Just thinking grateful thoughts creates coherent, smooth heart rhythms. It's like your heart suddenly learned how to tango instead of doing the chicken dance. This coherence reduces stress hormones and inflammation throughout your body better than most medications I could prescribe. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 45-year-old teacher who came to see me with borderline high blood pressure. Her numbers were creeping up like her grocery bill, and I suggested we could start medication. But Sarah was tougher than a $2 steak and wanted to try lifestyle changes first. Good for her. I told her to spend just 2 minutes each morning writing down 3 things she was grateful for. Not just "I'm grateful for my family" generic stuff, but specific things like, "I'm grateful my student Johnny finally understood fractions today," or "I'm grateful for that perfect cup of coffee that didn't spill on my lesson plans." 8 weeks later, Sarah walked back into my office with a blood pressure drop of 15 points. 15 points! She was sleeping better, feeling calmer, and had more energy than a toddler on a sugar rush. Her heart had literally learned a new rhythm. Here's the science that gets me more excited than finding a parking spot at the hospital. Gratitude increases heart rate variability coherence by 25% in most people. That's not a small change, that's huge. This coherence improves blood flow, reduces arterial stiffness, and helps your blood vessels stay more flexible than a yoga instructor. Your nervous system starts to learn this pattern and defaults to this calmer state throughout the day. It's like teaching your heart a new default setting. Regular practice literally rewires your heart-brain connection for better health. If your stress levels are through the roof and your blood pressure's acting like a roller coaster, maybe I should see you in the clinic. We need to talk. But before you book that appointment, try this. Tonight before bed, write down 3 specific things you're grateful for. Not just grateful, specifically grateful. Instead of "my job," try "the moment my colleague brought me coffee during that crazy afternoon." Instead of "my health," try the fact that I could walk up those stairs without getting winded. Do this for 7 days and pay attention to how your body feels. Notice if you're sleeping better, if your shoulders aren't living up around your ears all day, if you're not clenching your jaw like you're trying to crack walnuts with your teeth. Your heart is listening to every emotion, every thought, every moment of stress or gratitude you experience. Give it something good to dance to. Your cardiovascular system will thank you, your blood pressure will thank you, and your family will probably thank you for being less cranky than a surgeon who missed lunch. This has been the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show. Until next time, stay healthy, and remember, if you're looking for answers, check out drjeffreytauth.us.com. Later, y'all.